I think some of us are just more fortunate than others. You must have had this on a motorcycle.
No,
I bet
never.
you have.
No, I'm just going to stand as well. I don't even want to use that seat now. This is just...
Now, we have to just touch on something, don't we, before we go, because...
Yours has gone wrong this week. I'd rather chop them off. I'd rather slice them.
Thing is, no, next week we're doing this item on which car company has produced the largest number of great cars.
This is great car.
Yes, great cars. So any thoughts on which car companies made the biggest number of great cars? See, Aston Martin is I don't think Aston has made a single great car, and they made some lovely...
DB5 was only great because of James Bond.
Yeah.
It's a bit rubbish, but it's
exactly.
great because
Anyone
of
else got any thoughts?
Who said Ferrari? Somebody said Ferrari.
That's a good call, but...
Ferrari's a good call, but if you think
but
about it, they made a lot of rubbish cars as well. I mean, the 348 was rubbish, the Testarossa was rubbish.
Mondial was rubbish.
Mondial,
great
400.
The F40 was a
That
great
was
car.
great.
But what about mainstream manufacturers, though?
Ford.
Yeah, 40. I mean, they did the Model T. That's kind of an important car.
Mustang.
GT40.
GT40. This I think is an interesting debate that petrol heads can have. We genuinely would like to hear what you have to say, so do please go on our website, which is on the internet, and then write something on. I don't know how you write something on it. What you which car firm you think has produced the largest number of great cars? If you write that down on our internet, we'll read it. Now. Last year I drove an Audi R8 and I thought it was the knees of the bee, but in a straight line at least it was a little bit slower than a Porsche 911.
Yeah, quite a lot slower than a 911 actually.
It was about that much slower, and I admit that much makes all the difference. However, Audi has now released a new, faster version. This is it. And it looks pretty much the same as the original. However... the standard R8 has a 4.2-litre V8. This has a 5.2-litre Lamborghini V10. That means 518 brake horsepower, enough torque to tenderize an elephant, and a top speed of about 200 miles an hour.